Student, myself is MANOJ DHARIWAL. Now, today we explain dimension of application. Now, we discuss second dimension of applications to convert one system of unit into another system of unit. Okay, now we start. To convert one system of unit into another system of unit by dimensional method. We know that students, the formula nu is equal to constant, n numericals value, u units for the previous video. n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2, where n is equal to numericals value in first systems, n2 is equal to numericals value in second systems, u1 is equal to unit in first system, u2 is equal to unit in second system. Numericals value and units we will discuss for the previous videos. System. What is system? System on the basis of three-dimensional quantities, mass, length and time system are derived. First system, FPS, foot pound second system. This is known as British system, initially starting from 1952. Second system is CGS system, centimeter gram second system. Third is MKS system, meter kilogram second. M means meter, K means kilogram, S means second system. Or fourth system is SI system, Standard International System. It is the converging name of MKS system. All physics based on SI systems. Okay, now we discuss for the second application. Thank you.